Hello guys, so if you're looking to connect ChatGPT with the live internet, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now firstly, open your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Now just simply log into your ChatGPT account. Now after that, let's ask a question. So after that, just simply hit enter, and as you can see, it is unable to give me the current report. So that is because it does not have the live information for the area or the internet that can give him the access for the live information. So now what you can do is open a new tab and search for ChatGPT web bot. For some reason, if you're unable to find the Chrome Web Store application for web ChatGPT, what you can do is just simply open a new tab and go to Chrome Web Store. Now after going inside Chrome Web Store, just simply search for web ChatGPT, then hit enter. Now over here, as you can see, this is the extension that we are looking for, so click on it, then click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Now after that, as you can see, it has now web access. Now let's ask him the same prompt. So refresh the page and let's ask him the weather. So as you can see, now it gave me the entire detail of the weather, because it is now directly extracting the information from a live website which is forecasting the weather on its website, as you can see over here. So as you can see, it gave me the current date, time and the degree and Celsius, the every detail that is necessary to know the weather. So if we close the web access over here and let's ask the same question again, it won't be able to give the same answer now, because now it is not having the access of the internet. So if I hit enter, so it is currently getting the information from the articles. So it is currently getting the information that he just now wrote over here. So firstly, refresh the page, then close the web access over here and paste the prompt over here. So as you can see, it gave the same prompt that it is unable to get the weather report for you. Now let's enable the option and ask the same prompt again. Now as you can see, it is now able to extract the information from the live website again. So that's how you can connect ChatGPT through internet. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.